Hello guys, once again you're welcome to our channel, and this is Fab Crypto Space. All right, so guys, there are good news happening on crypto space, and especially on Bitcoin. And this morning, and we're taking a beautiful trade on Bitcoin. So I think the trade is still valid, and if you're interested in taking a long position on Bitcoin, this might be for you guys. All right, so let's dive into the chart quickly as I show you what is going on and what to expect and how you can position yourself for this next move of the Bitcoin, guys. All right, so please kindly remember to subscribe to this channel and like this video, guys. All right, so let's dive into the chart. Now this is Bitcoin chart. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hours quickly, and we took this trade. All right, so we expected this trade to break out from here. Okay, so and there we go. It has broken out, and this is a very bullish signal for breaking out of this. So we can call this a running flat. Okay, this is a running flat. So we have this, we have a running flat, so we're expecting this. Okay, so probably this might be equal to these guys. Okay, this might be equal to this. Okay, so that means we're expecting a take profit within this range, guys. Okay, we're expecting a take profit within this range. So that is one of the trade you can confidently take on Bitcoin currently now, based on when you are watching this video, guys. Okay, so and that's why I wouldn't want to spend a lot of time on this video, so that many of you guys can catch the move. Okay, so now if you take a look from it from 1 hour, you can see that it's actually breaking up. So but there is also you need to watch out this. So some of you can place a trade on this. It's still valid. Placing a trade at the break of this is still valid, guys, because this is the final resistance you can see from the chart to hit our target. Now if you measure the potential gain, assuming we taking it from here and measuring the potential gain to this point. Sorry, let me measure it well. Potential gain will be like $6 plus. Okay, so now you know when we are taking a margin trade, and you know margin trade gives you leverage. And okay, so and for you to take that, you can sign up using the Bybit link below this video, or the Binance link, or Famous link. Okay, so any of them you are taking, you can give you 10x, 20x, 50x, and stuff like that. All right, so that is how you take a beautiful trade on these guys, and you'll be able to make fantastic profits. Okay, using this leverage, and as Bitcoin makes this move, guys. Okay, so now what you'll be expecting in a nutshell, look at the daily, guys. You can see that this move is imminent, and from the daily you can see that, all right, that this wave is completed already. Okay, this wave is completed, so we are either expecting a bounce, a hard bounce, okay, that might continue to prolong this correction, or we might have a 3-wave up that might test the all-time high. Okay, so but obviously this is the trade that you wouldn't want to miss. Okay, this is the trade that you wouldn't want to miss, and that is why I'm making this video now, to tell you that this trade is very, very important, because nobody knows how deep it's going to go, and everything is quite set up. Okay, and I wouldn't want you to miss that. So it's still looking bullish, guys, and don't forget to subscribe on this channel as you are taking these profits. And if you want more of such videos where you'll be able to catch the move even before the breakout, please kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video, so that anytime we release a video like this, you'll be able to know on time. Okay, because clearly you can see now that this has made a 3-wave complete move here, 3-wave complete move here. So what is remaining? Nothing is holding it back from getting to our target profits. All right, guys, so that is just it. On a quick one, if you take a look on Ethereum, I think Ethereum also Ethereum is not looking that strong, but on something like this might happen, and there we go. Okay, I think if Bitcoin is breaking now, definitely Ethereum might break out here, but I'm not taking the Ethereum trade until it breaks out of this, guys. Okay, so I think you can also consider it, guys, placing a long position at the break of this, because there might be a pullback before breaking out. Okay, which is likely, but based on the structure that Ethereum is forming. So but just position yourself above this resistance, and as it's breaking off, you are there with the trade. All right, guys, so that's just where we'll be drawing the curtain for today. And don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, And if there's any coin that you wouldn't want to miss out and you are still holding and you just want to know the best way you can position yourself on that coin, kindly let us know, and we'll be glad to help you and help you to analyze it, showing you how the market behaves and what you should be expecting from that particular trade. All right, guys. So finally, thank you once again for your time, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video.